I'm Elena Kohler. I am the HR generalist here at Viwinco.
And my name is Stephanie Guerrero. I'm the junior HR business partner for Viwinco.
We're a family-owned company. We've been around for over 40 years, and we manufacture custom windows and patio doors.
Hi, my name is Esther Schuler. I am the Quality Systems and Planning Manager at Penn Manufacturing. So Penn Manufacturing is the world's largest single-site lead-acid battery manufacturer. We manufacture batteries for a variety of applications, just about any application that a lead-acid battery is used. So that'd be cars, trucks, marine, forklift, you name it, we make it.
Employment opportunities could be available as soon as people are in high school, 11th and 12th grade, as well as college students. We do offer internships. We are also partnered with What's So Cool About Manufacturing, where we have middle school students come in and take a tour of the company, get to know what we do, and we also participate, or I'm a participant of the Dream Team, going out to the community to talk to local students about the career opportunities available in manufacturing.
So Penn actively works with 18 high schools locally in the area to onboard students into manufacturing jobs. They can come right out of high school or they can come from college. Students who come right out of high school actually have the same ability to make the same amount of wages as any other new hire with the same benefits and also opportunities for growth and opportunities for promotions. We offer internships for anyone who's in college. They can apply online, and the hopes of that is that once they get the internship that they work alongside the experts that we have in these fields. Again, the hopes is that they then become a full-time employee at Penn.
Last summer, we had 8 interns here on site. They all worked in the different departments: engineering, accounting, maintenance, and our supply chain. Our goal is to have maybe some of our interns come back, and we did offer one of our internships a full-time position.
In addition, we also have some programs that we offer. We offer co-op, which is where students will do part of their day at school and then part of their day here at work at Penn. We also offer summer employment opportunities. One item that I wanted to highlight was a new scholarship program that we're offering with Reading Area Community College for mechatronics engineering technology. With that program, students have the opportunity to earn a certificate or an associate degree, and with the hopes of them becoming a full-time employee at Penn.
Manufacturing offers opportunities for a vast majority of people. Like I explained, a lot of times people don't understand what opportunities are available in manufacturing. It's not just coming in and working on the line. It takes engineers, it takes an HR team, accounting, IT. I think it opens up the door for people to see that there is opportunity to build a successful career where we grew up. I grew up in Berks County. To be able to give the students an opportunity to know I can be successful in manufacturing. And one of the things that Viwinco takes a lot of pride in is a lot of our supervisors and managers actually started on the production line and built their way up and have built very successful careers.
So part of why Penn is so important, especially in this area, is Penn is one of the largest employers of Berks County. We offer sustainable wages, affordable health care, not just for the employee, but also for their families. And again, as I mentioned, there's a ton of promotional opportunities available, but we also try to purchase from local suppliers with any of the materials or things that we can't produce in-house and we have to outsource. We try to make it local, and that helps with the overall economic success of Berks County as a whole.
Parents, I feel, can get involved, and teachers as well, in kind of encouraging students that may not be on that college pathway, but going towards that technical or that trade pathway.
Okay, so anybody can visit deckercareers.com to see the list of jobs that we have available. Any high school student who's interested can visit the Career Ready Berks website. In addition, if you're not sure, you just want to see about it, we do offer tours, job shadowing, to kind of get an idea if this could be a good fit for you.